Hello everyone. Welcome back to Student Zone. Today, I have a special English learning story for you. We will talk about my first day at school, a story that will help you learn new words, improve pronunciation, and practice speaking in English. So, listen carefully, repeat after me, and let's practice together. My first day at school. I still remember my first day at school. I was only 5 years old, and I was both excited and nervous. I woke up early in the morning, got dressed in my new school uniform, and my mother helped me pack my school bag. Inside, I had my books, a pencil box, and my favorite lunchbox. As we walked to the school gate, I saw many children. Some were smiling, some were crying, and others were playing. My heart was beating fast. Would I make new friends? Would my teacher be nice? My mother held my hand and said, "Don't worry, you will have a great time." Then she waved goodbye and left. I took a deep breath and walked inside. Inside the classroom, I saw a kind-looking teacher. She smiled at me and said, "Welcome to your new class." That made me feel a little better. She asked us to introduce ourselves. I stood up and said, "My name is Nilan, and I like to draw." Everyone clapped, and I felt happy. During lunch break, I sat next to a boy named Rahul. He shared his cookies with me, and we became friends. By the end of the day, I didn't feel scared anymore. My first day at school turned out to be fun and exciting. Now, let's practice some sentences from the story. Repeat after me. I was both excited and nervous. My heart was beating fast. I took a deep breath and walked inside. She smiled at me and said, "Welcome to your new class." I stood up and said, "My name is Nilan, and I like to draw." By the end of the day, I didn't feel scared anymore. Practice fluency with these sentences. Now it's your turn. Tell me about your first day at school. Answer these questions in the comments. Were you excited or nervous on your first day? Did you make any friends? What was your favorite part of the day? I will read your comments and reply. Let's practice English together. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you want more English speaking practice, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this with your friends. I will see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and keep improving. See you soon. Keep learning and growing.